Welcome to Wedoist, the simple way to manage collaborative projects. You can use the Tasks tab to keep track of everything that needs to be done on your project. Just open the Tasks tab and click Add Task. Give your task a name and choose a deadline from the calendar. Then click Add Task again to confirm this task and start another one. This time I won't use the calendar. Instead, I'll just type in my deadline, like today, or tomorrow, August 7th, or 9 September 2012, and I'll press Enter to add each task to my list. If you'd like, you can create separate task lists for different parts of your project. Just click Add New List on the right. Give your list a name, and click Add New List again to confirm. Your list opens, and you can add your first task. To switch to a different list, just click on its name in the menu on the right. You can also click View All to see all of your lists with all of the tasks on each one. Click the Reorder button on the right and you can drag and drop your lists into any order you like. When you hover over a task, several icons will appear. You can delete your task, edit it, or click Move and drag it to a different spot on the list, or even to another list entirely. Or click the comment icon and discuss this task with your team. You'll see the original task, the discussion so far, and a text bar where you can write your remarks and add them to the conversation. This clear icon means that I've read all the comments on this task. When a member of my team adds a new comment, this icon will turn blue. When you've completed a task, just check it off. The task disappears from your list. To see what it was, you can hover over the list and click Completed Tasks at the top. Even though this task is complete, I can still hover over it, comment on it, and even uncheck it to return it to my active to-do list. Open the List Options drop-down at the top of any list to change the list's name, or delete it, or save it to your archives. Archived lists aren't included when you click View All, but you can still access them in a special section on the right. If you open an archived list and go back to the List Options drop-down, you can even click Unarchive to reactivate your list. Just like we saw in our status updates tutorial, you can attach any related files to a task, up to 20 megabytes each. Images will appear as thumbnails. Everything else appears as a link. You can also assign people to a task or attach custom labels. Choose a team member from the list and they'll receive an email notification about your task. You can also choose a custom label from the list, or type in a new label just for this one task, or click Manage Labels, type in your label, and add it to your list so you can use it again in the future. Once you've assigned a person or attached a label to at least one of your tasks, a drop-down menu appears at the top. Choose a person or a label to see the related tasks. Click View All Tasks to go back. You can also choose to display only those tasks that are due today, or tomorrow, or later than that, or even any tasks without specific due dates. You can also click Today's Tasks in the menu on the right to see any tasks that are due today. If I go to the Status Updates tab, you can see that every task I've added or completed automatically appears as a color-coded status update. And every time a member of my team adds a task, completes one, or posts a comment, I'll be notified in real time without refreshing the page. The status update page also includes convenient filters so you can see which tasks have been added most recently and which ones were recently completed. You can even click the Search tab at the top right and search for a task by name. Or click Filter by person or label, choose a team member or a custom label, and see all the related tasks, updates, and files. Wedoist is already managing projects for thousands of companies, and we're just getting started. Find out more at wedoist.com.